This is the 8th step in setting up your new SMS-iT account. In this step, we'll walk through how to respond to incoming messages using the SMS-iT platform. SMS-iT is built as a complete omni-channel communication hub, allowing you to receive and respond to messages from multiple channels in one centralized location. Whether it's text, email, voice, social media, or even fax, the Smart Inbox brings all communication into a single, streamlined interface. To get started, go to the left-hand navigation panel and click on Communication. Then select Smart Inbox. The Smart Inbox is where all inbound messages, regardless of channel, are received and organized. It provides a clean, intuitive view that allows you to manage conversations across your entire organization in real time. Once inside the Smart Inbox, you'll see a list of recent conversations. Select the contact you want to respond to by clicking on their message. At the bottom of the chat panel, you'll see a set of icons representing each supported communication channel. These icons make it easy to switch between text, email, voice, and other formats based on how the contact reached out or how you prefer to respond. To reply with a text message, click on the text icon beneath the message input field. Type your response in the text box, then click the send icon on the far right, which looks like a paper kite, to deliver the message. To respond with an email, click the email icon. A subject line field will appear along with the message body area. Enter your subject, compose your message, and then click send. For managing and responding to incoming emails specifically, you can also use the Unibox feature. To access it, simply go back to the email section under communication. Choose the inbox associated with your email account, select the email thread you want to reply to, then click on reply to send your response. In addition to text and email, SMS-iT allows you to manage and respond to other forms of communication directly within the Smart Inbox. This includes voice messages, social media messages, and even faxes, ensuring you never miss a conversation, no matter the channel. Each message thread is stored with complete history, so you can see your entire conversation timeline with each contact at a glance. This is particularly helpful for tracking past interactions and providing more personalized responses. If you prefer to automate your responses or free up your time, SMS-iT also allows you to assign your agentic AI to handle all incoming messages on your behalf. Your AI persona will respond based on the training and configurations you previously set during the artificial intelligence setup step. This means your contacts can receive instant, intelligent replies even when you or your team are unavailable, making it a powerful tool for engagement, support, and lead qualification. Whether responding manually or through AI, the Smart Inbox gives you full control and visibility over every communication channel, helping you stay responsive, organized, and efficient. This concludes the process of responding to incoming messages using the SMS-iT platform. See you in the next tutorial.